If your 2011 or 2012 Dodge Ram 1500 won't start, whether it has zero crank or it cranks over and over without firing up, don't buy a new starter or fuel pump yet. Check these critical fuses and relays in your main fuse box under the hood first. Pop your hood and open the fuse box, also known as the Totally Integrated Power Module or TIPM. First, if your engine won't crank at all, locate Relay K3. This is your starter solenoid relay. When you turn the key, it sends power down to engage the starter. If your starter won't click, try swapping Relay K3 with an identical relay in the box, like your radiator fan relay, to see if it fires up. Next, check fuse J17. This 40-amp J-case cartridge fuse gets power directly from Relay K3 and delivers main battery power to your starter motor solenoid. If your starter fuse and relay are good, but the engine still won't crank, check fuse M27. This 10-amp mini fuse feeds power to your ignition switch, wireless control module, and keyless entry system. If it's blown, your key signal won't reach the starter relay to begin with. Now, if your engine cranks just fine but won't start up, move over to fuse M25. This 20-amp mini fuse feeds direct power to your fuel pump and receives power from the fuel pump relay. Keep in mind that on these trucks, the actual fuel pump relay is integrated and soldered directly inside the TIPM circuit board, so you can't easily pull or swap it like a standard relay. Next, if fuse M25 isn't getting power, check Relay K4. This is your ignition run start relay, which sends the main signal to feed your ignition circuit and the internal fuel pump board. Here's a quick trick. If fuse M25 isn't receiving power in the start position, you can run a temporary wire from the positive battery terminal directly to the terminal for fuse M25 just to test it. If you hear the fuel pump turn on, you know your fuel pump is working and the issue is within the TIPM board or feed circuit. If fuel starts pumping and your truck fires up, you just saved yourself a massive repair bill.